Well, hello there. We finally have a bit of a clearing up here in northeastern Ohio. And today is Sunday, the 17th of March, 2019, at about 2:12 p.m. Okay, I haven't set the Skywatcher mount up yet. So I'll be doing some cutting and pasting here. Oh, after all that dicking around, getting everything set up, and I think I had it right, and the sun got blocked out by the clouds. Oh my. Okay, so I took the solar filter off so we could at least find the sun. Well, so far this is a bust. Oh my. Well, regardless, at least we're getting something other than gray clouds. So the sun's up in the southern sky at the moment, and I just want to let y'all know what I've been doing for the last month. Ever since I had that catastrophe for me of losing that 5 terabytes of footage I had, and the best footage that I had, because last summer I was getting some fabulous shots of 4 planets and the moon right as the sun went down. So we had a beautiful night sky. I don't know when we'll get it like that again, but day after day we'd be able to catch all 4 planets at the same time. It was just so, oh, they came out so nice, and I've lost it all except the YouTube versions and the Facebook low quality pictures, but anyway, what I've been doing is this. I do have multiple backups of my sky footage already, but just in case there is a hardware failure on every device I own, I've uploaded of what I could, all my pictures and videos, even the shitty ones, up onto a website called Smugmug. God, what a terrible name. But it's taken me a whole month to organize and get, a good 6 terabytes of images and videos up there. It'll show the progression from my 2016, just getting a new camera. It'll start with my 2016 when I got the new P900 at the time camera. It was my first bridge camera I ever had. All I ever had before that was a cell phone, or, I've never used a DSLR or knew much about them. But anyway, so it took me, as I'm going through all this footage, it must have taken me a good 6 months to learn how to manual focus the camera. Oh my God, the early stuff is just atrocious. But anyway, this stuff is, no one will probably want to see the site much or use it, but it's there for me because I can download everything. Once again, if I ever lost my hard drives and all that, it's a great site. It takes just about all picture formats, but it doesn't allow you to upload the raw images and videos that are over 3 gigabytes or over 15 minutes long or 20 minutes long, something like that. So I do have thousands of pictures and videos that I didn't upload, but the majority were up there. The horrible ones too. Oh my gosh. And it did give me a good chance to look to see when I was experimenting with other cameras. I think there's 8 in total cameras I tried. So we started with the Nikon P900 and then went through a slew of them. My gosh. This one Sony one, it was oh my God, the menu system on it was just a nightmare. I hated that camera. Sent that back. Sent them all back, but a few. The one camera I loved, which was a bit too expensive, was the Nikon D500. Oh man, that was an awesome camera. So we tried that Sony RX10, the Canon SX60, I think it's called. We did another cool pics of the Nikon B700. That was horrible. I hated that camera. There was a Nikon J5. And of course my main guys here, the P1000, the Canon 80D, which are my 2 main cameras now. And I think I missed a few of them there, but... Oh, and you know what? I did take the dual camera bar and I put it on this Benro tripod. It does make it heavier, but so I don't know how long I'll keep it up there, but there's the setup. There's a Manfrotto video head and the Skywatcher. And there's our little stone bag, which I keep all the little nifty flashlight, the filters, magnifying glass, and the SynScan. We do have those shutter releases, the Velos, one for the Nikon and one for the Canon. And there's the remote, which I can't use, which I'd love to. It's a wireless remote for the P1000, but since I use an external monitor, it will not work. And sorry, I can't get further away because of the quad cord. And I'm handheld, so it's going to be shaky, and that type of footage pisses me off, so. And our mucky ground. Oh, by the way, for all these things I have attached, I just used Velcro. I put Velcro, the soft stuff on the back here, and then the other there. That stone bag's neat, though. I got it from B&H. It's only like $5 or so. It's quite handy. And I used Velcro up here for the little power supply. And that power supply thing is really nice. Yeah, Velcro, that stuff's a miracle. I love it. Oh, and just so we know, we are on the Nikon P1000 at the moment. I'm recording 4K video on the camera itself, and I'm also recording on the Atomos Ninja Flame too. It doesn't have 4K out, and when you have it on RAW and 4K, you don't get the full zoom length, which it didn't matter because we couldn't see the sun anyway. That'll do. I'm not going to hold you up, but I'm hoping you're having a wonderful Sunday here, and you're going to have a great start to your new week. So I'm going to wave goodbye from up here in Ohio. And if anyone does go check out that site, please cut me some slack, because I'm not a photographer. I'm just an old guy who loves watching the sky and documenting what's going on up there. There's some weird stuff that takes place and some awe-inspiring things that journey across the sky too. So On that note, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Take care.